What horrible lighting this is. Anyways, I'm gonna go to, oh my god, I need to stop looking at that. I'm gonna go to the Sunset Market right now, and I'm really nervous, and I'm even nervous recording this right here. The Baked Bear.
Have you had ice cream from there?
No. That's weird. Okay. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Oh, we've been walking around for how long? Like 10 minutes because I'm too nervous. But we found a very secluded area where there's no one around. That way. They're that way. But yeah, my eyebrows are so dark. There's people. I just... for coming back to my channel. Today I am at Sunset Market in Oceanside and I am going to try some food at some of the vendors here. I'm super excited to see what is out there and what will be good and maybe not so good. Anyways, if you like this kind of content, please be sure to hit that like button, and if you would be ever so kind as to subscribe to my channel, I would appreciate it so much. Oh yeah, and hit that bell notification so that you get reminded every beautiful Wednesday morning when I upload new videos like this one. And then he like put everything else on my plate. Alright, so this is traditional Kenyan food. But I didn't know Kenyan food was like collard greens and cabbage. Curry cabbage, that's what it said. This is beef. It's gonna be hot. It's good? Is my face red?
Are you allowed to talk?
Are you wearing an office shirt?
Yeah.
It's cute.
Yeah, you can talk.
She'll just edit you out.
Yeah,
Not
but
always.
I'm so
If you say
close to
something
the
funny,
mic.
maybe I'll keep you in.
Say something funny.
I don't have anything right now.
What?
I don't have anything right now.
Do you ever feel like grossed out? Like you get a napkin and you like wipe your face and then you put it on the table and then you think the side that touched the table is like now dirty, so now you need to get like another napkin.
No.
Use the side that touches the table.
Unless I'm like at a dirty part.
Then how else do you like pick it up? I just always get another napkin.
So not eco-friendly.
The cabbage tastes like cabbage.
Did you get the collard greens?
Oh yeah, I didn't ask for it and he put it on my plate.
Dude, collard greens are like my favorite.
Really?
It's like
I've only had them once and I didn't like them.
African collard greens. It's good.
Oh, they're good.
Yeah. They kind of peanutty.
No, it's like a little, I don't know what on my plate.
That's cool. That's how I would want it.
Oh, and then I gave him the money, and I gave him a $2 tip. He's like, no, 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 no. I was like, yes.
Yes,
Like,
yes,
yes. Here.
Yes, 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 yes.
Yes, 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 yes. Wait, was it sweet?
The plantain?
Yeah.
No, it's kind of like savory,
It was
sweet.
like savory sweet.
Like the plantain itself is sweet, but the sauce is savory.
No, it tastes weird. But it's not like that. I just think I don't like it. Does someone have a reusable bag?
No?
I burned my tongue. Because I'm not going to finish this. Okay, I'm done. We need to go eat the next thing. I'm talking with my mouth full.
What?
This isn't the food, but
She's glowing.
wait, see my pen? I'll pick it up. You should give me a test.
I didn't.
Wait, is it recording?
Yeah.
Okay. I hate these paper straws, but I'll be eco-friendly still and recycle it. This is my reusable straw. I'd rather have this. Anyways, I got the what is it? Cantaloupe mango drink. And it came with a big old cantaloupe in it.
Cantaloupe lemonade.
Lemonade? Oh, lemonade. What did I say? Just drink?
It's a drink.
Oh, it is a drink. Okay, yeah. It tastes like mango. Alright, and then I got some vegan molita de asada. It was from Vegan Jet. Did you record that? Oh, no, I'm saying did you record when I ordered this?
When you ordered it, not when you picked it up.
No, that's fine. Okay.
Because I totally forgot you ordered food when we were standing in line for like 10 minutes.
Oh,
Can you like lean
jeez. Take a
down?
picture. Take a picture.
Lean down.
Oh.
Like hunch.
You can tilt it up.
I know, but then you lose the food.
Oh, then I'll put the food by my face. I got it.
I want to get one of you biting it.
That's a lot of cheese.
Isn't that good?
It's vegan cheese though.
Oh, that's true.
I don't like cheese that much. Maybe it was just that bite. No, it's every bite.
Sorry.
It's not.
Well, Amelita is basically a quesadilla.
Oh, I didn't know that. It said de asada.
Well, it's
Vegan.
basically like a quesadilla.
Ooh, this is hot. Ooh. 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 It's good. I was expecting. It's good. I just wasn't expecting this much cheese. But it is good. Showboat.
I'm trying to get a good angle.
Do you want to try it?
I'm good.
Exactly. It's not gonna get better.
You get used to it.
Yeah,
You're just
because you
trying-
bought it.
I know,
you
you're
have
just
to drink
Trying to
it.
get your money's worth out of that.
If it was really bad, I would throw it away.
Yeah, I mean, it wasn't like horrible, but I didn't buy it, so I don't want to drink any more of it.
I didn't know they gave us so much ice.
I know, anytime we should say like light ice.
I would have if I knew they filled the whole cup.
No
Please
ice.
Look at that.
I didn't get a lot of ice.
I think you got more ice.
You got way
Look,
more ice.
mine's already
They're
like
like-
gone. And I got a cantaloupe.
I know, I'm pretty jealous. I thought they were gonna put like,
A guava.
Guava?
I would have taken it. I'm not picky. Good cantaloupe?
Cantaloupe bomb.
I thought I would get a clump of brown sugar.
Cup of brown sugar.
I said a clump.
My husband texted me.
Yeah. I don't know actually.
Yeah, he's like, I want that burrito.
I don't know how to eat this. Then I just get whipped cream. Oh wow.
Trip house.
Oh, it's just completely filled with strawberries.
Yeah, but that's a big one. Let's do it.
Guys, they can hear you. Can I just film that? Can I film that?
I can use my hand.
Oh, now you're not gonna feed her.
Do it now.
It's really good. She said it was a tradition to make everything homemade. Like they don't settle for frozen things. You know, I asked the question today. Why is it culturally okay for us to wear the same pants and the same jackets for like a whole entire week, but we can't wear the same shirt?
So we have armpits of the head.
I don't sweat like every day.
But
Well, that's a
if you saw the
blessing.
same group of people, you would wear it.
Oh no, I've never wear the same shirt. And I work with all dudes.
But like you would be fine wearing a jacket every day.
It's like,
You know?
We should. Oh, you know what would be cool for you, but like it's probably not really doable because it's really expensive. Going to Disneyland during their like one of their food festivals, because there's tons of food. And it's really
dude, this
good.
kid sucks.
Are you
Yeah,
recording it?
Mm-hmm. And I got the audio.
Alright, thank you guys so much for joining me on this vlog. I had a fun time with my friends and trying to trying to break my nerves of filming in public. Although
it was easier when someone else was filming, so thank you for that. Anyways, yeah, so I got to try 5 different places, and honestly they were all really good. I don't think I had any bad critiques. Does that make sense?
Sorry, there's a lot going on.
Does that make sense though? Anyways, and I got some magazines. Finding some new food places. Edible San Diego. I'm excited for that one. Yeah. Okay, well, if you like this kind of content, please be sure to hit that like button, and if you would be oh so kind and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification. Running out of breath. So you can get notified every beautiful Wednesday morning when I upload new videos like this one. And if you miss me throughout the week, you can follow my Instagram right here. And I post throughout the week. I post behind the scenes, where I'm going, what I'm filming, all that stuff. I do polls, anything, everything, I don't know, just a lot of stuff. So follow me on Instagram, and I would also greatly appreciate that. Okay, thanks for joining me. Bye.
I want to get this kid going on that.
Oh my god. Can we see him?
No, not really.
Well, you can zoom in, you know that, right?
With this?
Yeah. The other way.
Oh, he chickened out.